Oh. Even though Antonio's 3-betting light, he is the favorite.
Go, go, go. It's too easy, buddy. It's too easy. Good job. 1, 2. Good job. Last one, 3. Too easy. I'll put it back on. 1 and 2 and 3. Shake it, shake it. Good job. Yay! I think it's exciting. Yeah. You're just going to keep going, huh? All right. Set a record, buddy. Easy. Good job, Pa. Right back on. 1 and 2 and 2.5. Put it back. Okay. Make sure it's snug. Straighten it out. Okay, and 3. Yay! Good job.